What's the meaning of this?
Hey, what do you have been for long? Why are you videoing? So you can't follow the video me. What do you mean to me? Are you denying me?
No, check the time.
Are you denying me?
No, I'm not denying you.
Yes, who are they? Stop it. You can't attack me. Yes.
Why are you
because I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. But you don't know me.
Please, stop it.
You
what's the wrong with you? Hey. No, please.
This is
Calm down, please.